In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, this is Mavish Rana once again with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lingua Insights. Today I'm going to conclude my lectures on the topic of tenses, and I have given you people a very concise, comprehensive content on the tenses. And recently I have discussed on the present and past. Now I'm going to conclude future perfect continuous tense. So, future perfect continuous tense is all about that is future and also continuous. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. And for conceptual and full understanding, don't skip this video. Watch this video till end. Here are some learning objectives of this lecture. Understand the concept of future perfect continuous tense. In this presentation, we will explore the future perfect continuous tense and how it's used to talk about ongoing actions that will be completed in the future. Learn how to form sentences in the future perfect continuous tense. You will gain a clear understanding of the rules for constructing sentences in future perfect continuous tense with practical examples. Practice using future perfect continuous tense in technology related scenarios. You will have the opportunity to apply your knowledge in modern tech context. Unveiling the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to express actions that will be ongoing and continuous up to specific point in the future. It is formed using will have been, the base form of the verb ing. Crafting the future perfect continuous tense, there are some basically three structure of any tense: positive, negative, and question structure. I have discussed already with you on present and past. Now I'm just discussing future. So subject plus will plus have been plus verb form and ing. Like I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. And for negative structure, we will use subject plus will plus not, have been plus verb form and ing. Like I will not have been eating vegetables for 3 months. And if you want to construct a question structure, then you will first use will plus subject plus have been plus we and ing. Will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? Let's talk about some further insights. The future perfect continuous tense emphasizes the continuous nature of an action leading up to a specific future time. Example is that by the time we arrive, they will have been testing the new app for hours. And now trivia. Did you know that will have been can be contracted to will have been in informal speech and writing? So here are some examples from the tech world. Like she worked on the coding project for 6 hours by the time the presentation starts. So correct answer is she will have been working on the coding project for 6 hours by the time the presentation starts. So the next example, the test the virtual reality handset for a week before the official launch. Correct answer is they will have been testing the virtual reality headest for a week before the official launch. So here is another example. I study AI technology for a year when I graduate from Tech Academy. Correct answer is I will have been studying AI technology for a year when I graduate from the Tech Academy. So let's practice by filling these blanks with appropriate future perfect continuous tense. She dash non-stop for 8 hours by the time she submits the project. So she will have been coding. They dash futuristic innovations and for months before the conference. They will have been researching. He dash a robot for a year when he unveils it at the tech fair. He will have been building a robot. So here are some simple examples that you can be able to understand that how to put right future perfect continuous tense in an appropriate way. So, guys, you can see on your screen here is a quiz for you. This is the time of activity. This is the time of your brainstorming. You will brainstorm and you will, memorize the rules and then put it into right forms. Like here are some examples. This is your, brainstorming. Then you will be able to put the right perfect continuous tense if you will, understand the concepts. So here is a multiple choice quiz also. Choose the correct future perfect continuous tense. Like she will have been coding or codes. You know very well. You will put will have. They will have been developing future gadgets for years when the company becomes tech right. So definitely you will put the will have. Developing will have been developing. If you are constructing future perfect continuous tense, what is the rule? What is the structure? So in this way, you will be able to put a right and appropriate form of verb in a good way. Most of us, very well about the tenses and the structure of the sentences. We cram the things and we memorize the things. We don't practice it. So this is the mistake. I just want to share my story that when I was in metric, I was good in all the subjects and English also. But my problem was that I always lose one number. Like if my other fellow is getting 10 by 10, and I'm just getting 9 out of 10. I just analyze myself and think about that why I am losing one number, and it was it is considered a positive jealousy that I feel for her, that I think that why she is getting 10 by 10 when I am losing one number. So I determine, I think about myself, what is my mistake, where I'm doing mistake. So I was that nothing is impossible. Practice makes a man perfect. I just take a book and whole day I just practice it by myself. And other day I just got 10 by 10, and my teacher was very surprised that how can I do that. So I share my story with my fellows, and that was inspiration for all. And tense, I just want to say the to tell the story about me is to the purpose is that you should practice the things, don't cram the things. So story mistake in the story is that when we are going to discuss and in practical situation, most of the time we commit mistakes because we just try to cram the things. Don't try to cram the things. Highlight and focus on the concepts. So, what mistakes should you avoid it in the story? That as by the time he arrives, they will already have been working on the project for a week. He will already have been exploring virtual reality for a month when he finally tries to futuristic game. Thank you for navigating the future with Future Perfect Continuous Tense. Thank you for embarking on this tech savvy journey into the world of Future Perfect Continuous Tense. May your language skills continue to adapt, flourish in the modern tech landscape and in every field of life. May Allah Almighty always be with you, and may you flourish, may you be at the top. And I hope you will like this video. I'm repeating my words. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So we will meet with another interesting topic inshallah, and have a blessed day ahead. Allah Hafiz.